New York through and through. So I'm going home. Going home from the storm. In the storm. In my Toyota Corolla. Just a great car. It's just really a tough little car. And we're doing about 15 miles an hour. It's snowing about an inch an hour. I just got to get gas. Unfortunately, I did forget about that. So we're going to stop and get some gas. Just thought I'd give you some nice scenery. We roll down the window a little bit. Oh boy. It is a crisp, fresh air. A nice, crisp, snowy, lung-clearing, fresh air. I'll tell you that. Yeah, I went into work today, did a couple of deliveries. Boss man said stay as long as you can. Not that I was going to do any more deliveries. And tomorrow's supposed to be really bad. It's going to be below zero. All this is going to be frozen. And like I say, I'm about an hour away from work, so I told boss man, I don't think I'm coming in. I'm going to take one of my vacation days. And we're probably going to close anyway. Because the way it works in the trucking freight business is if your customers aren't open, then there's no sense in you running a truck, right? But it is beautiful. It is absolutely beautiful. I do love the beauty of it, you know? And I think we got the gas station coming up here. I haven't been on this road in a while. I just thought I would take a back road to this gas station. I think it's down here. This is gonna snow non-stop till tomorrow night, so we're gonna have about a foot. And it hasn't been that bad in Long Island. We haven't had something like this in about 5 years. So it's not, we don't really get the snows that we used to get. Yep, there's the gas station. $3.09 a gallon, guys. What do you think of that, huh? Yeah, pretty cool. It went up a little bit. No, what am I talking about? That was $2.57. Yeah, what am I saying? It went up. All right. Are they open? Boy, they haven't really plowed in here. I'm all ready to step out and put some gas in the Toyota. All right, guys, here we go. Let's see. This is for real. All right, guys, I put the fuel in. That gives us almost a full tank. Well, this is just a little trip, a little video for you. I don't want to bore you with a lot of snowy talk. I just hope I don't get stuck. I don't want to get stuck. Because then I'll have to call the wife. And she already told me, I'm not picking you up. You can call road service. I said, wow. Well, the one thing about my wife, she's honest. And you know, guys, even when it's snowing and it's cold, You still got to stay hydrated. You see that? It's different colored. You can get this thing called Mio. M-I-O. No sugar. Comes in orange and grape. You put it in your water. Oh boy. All right, guys, New York through and through. Here we go. I got new tires, new Goodyears, so I don't know what road to take. I don't like taking the Parkway up here. I don't feel like going back to the Expressway. All right, wish me the best, all right? If you never hear from me again, then I must have turned into a snowman. All right, New York through and through, and I will talk to you again. And I have to leave by saying it's always a pleasure talking to you. Take care, guys. Woo.